She is very dear to all of us, and I consider her as a precious person in the family. You know, as they say, you can spread light by two different ways. One is be the candle, other one is be the mirror to reflect the light. So she creates her own light, and she will continue to do that, I'm sure.
Today I can remember the day she came into our life, and the way she grew up as a very special child. She has been very, very extraordinary, you know, in her habits and in her talks and everything, you know.
Nidhi is actually a absolutely mishti girl. She has got a lot of appeal, natural appeal, and whenever she's in our company, you know, she can speak to you on anything under the sun, and that makes her a very, very interesting person to be with.
He always enjoys life actually. Okay. He loves nature, he loves people, he loves friends. That way he is very happy always. Okay. And he always like among people, he cannot stay alone.
I think he's super adorable, and I love the fact that he's always making everybody laugh.
I think he's a cutie pie. I like him a lot. I think he's got a good heart, and I think he's got a good sense of humor. He can have a conversation with anyone.
He is like, किसी को भी problem होगी ना, he is the man who is going to give a solution. Yeah. He is going to help. He is always ready to help anyone.
चांद की परी है कोई ख्वाब या नजर आया, हुस्न का फरिश्ता कैसा मेरे रूबरू आया। हौले से बहारें जैसे आ गई वीरानों में, पंछियों की मीठी बोली खुल गई तरानों में। जिंदगी को मेरी सात रंग यूं मिल गए हैं, तारे हजारों नैनों में खिल गए। ओरे मेरे साथियों, जाने कैसे कब ये बात हो गई, आँखों से तू दिल में आ गई। अनजानी सी जो थी मेरे नजरों को, अब वो मन को भा गई। ता-ना-ना, ता-ना-ना, ता-ना-ना-ना।
She's a very balanced girl. Obviously, that was required for him to balance it out, because sometimes he gets super excited and he needs to be balanced at that point of time. That will be managed by Nidhi for sure.
It's very nice to see him here, and I see him change from the kid that he was to the guy in college, and now to this young man.
But she's a terrific person, and I'm sure if he's chosen her, she's equally found the match, you know, that she's been looking for.
They have that conviction that the relationship is going to get them through everything in life, and it makes me really happy.
She has a knack of, you know, showing her love, yeah, and grabbing it from others. Even if you feel no, you will like her, you will, you know. So that she has taken that apne hak ka pyar from everyone.
From everyone, she takes the pyar, you know. Like my mother used to say कि अपने से प्यार लेती है ये तो, देती नहीं अपने से लेती है, और देना ही पड़ता है आपको, कोई चॉइस नहीं है.
So that is her nature.
relationship is such a thing that there you have to give more than take yourself, you see. You have to adjust yourself to the circumstances in which you are. So that she should understand. That's very important.
मनिए साहिब जी जाने हैं सब जी फिर भी बनाए बहाने नैना नवाबी जी देखे हैं सब जी फिर भी न समझे इशारे मनिए साहिब जी हाँ करता बहाने नैना नवाबी जी न समझे इशारे
धीरे धीरे नैनों को धीरे धीरे जिया को धीरे धीरे भाइयों ने साहिबो धीरे धीरे बेगाना धीरे धीरे अपना सा धीरे धीरे लागे रे साहिबो.
Be always together. They should care for each other.
They are so similar at the same time different. You know, it's a very nice combination. They keep each other happy.
On this occasion, I wish both of them a very happy life.
She was working as a business consultant, and I was very skeptical when she decided that she wants to become a journalist. And I said, consultant job gives you a handsome salary, why do you want to change over like this? She said, no, I want to follow my dream. My dream is I want to write some book, I want to be part of a journalism, so I will do that.
She had one thing in her, that whatever she wanted to follow as a goal, she would do that. So that nature was in her ingrained right from the beginning.
First time she told us she was giving up her job, we both took the next flight to Singapore to make her understand, please don't do it. You're getting such a good salary, you're putting up at all the 5-star hotels, and the project takes you traveling, which she always likes, traveling. So you've been moving around, and why suddenly you're giving it up, Don't do that and all. But then to convince us as a consultant, she sent a PowerPoint presentation with 100 things she wants to do in this lifetime, and which is not possible if she continues with her job.
I'm really happy for her that she is one of those lucky ones who has followed her heart, listened to her inner voice, and done what she really wanted to do in life, and actually clicked.
She does have the courage to give up something which is stable, financially, she's comfortable, she's good at it, and just be like, you know what, it doesn't work anymore.
होगी 1 to 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी अंग्रेजी पढ़दी गिट पिट तू करदी जिम्मे कोइन साडी विक्टोरिया तू कैंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू कैंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा लाउडस्पीकर ते मांडोना वजदी ओ लाइके वारिजिन फैल करते कबूतर वर्गी ओ मेमा फिरदी गुलाबी शेर दा रंग है फिरंगी रखी तू सांभ के सानू ते लगदा 100 साल तो चंगी जगह कोई नहीं है बदिया तू घंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू घंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा सिर ते गिलासी रख पंजाबी स्टाइल विच लस्सी दा गिलास खिच
Two people out of the blue, one fine day.
At the NYU library, 8th floor specifically, in front of the elevator. He came up to the 8th floor with his friend that he was doing a project with. It was actually 3 of us, but it was mostly Aruna and me just chit-chatting.
कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए.
And this is someone like I'm meeting for the first time. It's the library, for heaven's sake. And we're talking, you know, for good 20-30 minutes we were talking.
And Deepak tapping me on the shoulder. He's like, listen, you got to go work on the project that we came here to do. I was like, yes, that is true. So I asked him,
we have a little study room downstairs. Why don't you come join us? Why don't you sort of like, you know, why are you studying alone? I said, okay, fine, I'll come and join you guys. And that was really like, I went and like sat with him. And then at the end of that evening, like they went and got like dinner for everyone. They got dinner for me as well. And then at the end of the night,
I was 12 when I decided it's pretty late in New York, and I was like, okay, I'll drop her home.
so he came and dropped me home. And even though I was all like, hey, it is not required, what do you do? I was very sort of like, you know, that's so sweet. Like, who does that anymore?
A couple of weeks, I was like, hey, come to the library again. I was like, yeah. So I ended up sitting in the library for a few weeks once in a while, and then I was usually when you're studying you get like hungry, right? So I was like, let's go to get something to eat. That's how it all starts, right? Like you're studying one moment, then you're going out to eat one moment, and then when you know it, it's like you're not studying anymore, you're just eating.
You know, from there on, like we started hanging out. My extended group became his group, and his friends became my friends. So much so that, you know, like when we were getting married, we were actually having this little tussle of who's coming from whose side and who's going to get to have one friend. And then I was like, oh, but then I want that other friend, and we were like, you know, bargaining and arguing over it.
सदियों से तरसे है जैसी जिंदगी के लिए तेरी सोहबत में दुआएं हैं उसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा मानो.
Really fell in love with Nidhi in the first time. Like I was like, this girl has something which not everybody else has. Like she has like amazing courage. So I was like very impressed with that.
At some level, the realization started to think that maybe I like this guy, and obviously you can tell when a guy likes you as well. And so I could tell that he likes me.
हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है जीने की वजह यही है मरना इसी के लिए कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया हर किसी के लिए.
And she was this kind of girl that loved all kinds of cuisines. She would go here, there, this restaurant name I haven't even heard of. She would take a train like 40 minutes down New York and then find one small little hut that has some small little food that is very famous.
I remember taking him to have like, I said, let's try something different once, and I remember taking him to try Korean food.
And she's enjoying it. And I have a bite and I'm like, I don't know what to say. Like, she's been so excited to try some new food, and I don't want to, like, you know, dash her hopes. So she asked me, how was it? I'm like, it's pathetic. It's pathetic, it has no flavor, it is just rice and water.
He was just like, ye kya hai? And, you know, there's no masala in there. And you're like, masala? Like, seriously?
I think she took it as like a challenge that she's going to take me to these places which are nice.
And I think over a period of time, like, he became much more sort of like experimental. Like, sushi became a big thing between the two of us. Like, we loved going to sushi.
And it was fun because, see, all kinds of food is good. Indian food is still my favorite food. But then she got me into sushi, which was really nice. And I love sushi almost as much as I love Indian food now, because I mean, I have sushi like 3 days a week.
I think it was those little things. He started thinking a lot. I mean, he went from a guy who was just like, I don't care about interviews and I don't care about what job I'm getting, to a guy who was suddenly like, you know, I have to study for this interview, and I have to this coming up and that coming up. And he had like a mental plan for the next 2-3 years, which, you know, was again, you know, those little shifts that came in him.
He makes her laugh, she makes him, you know, so you can't be serious in their company. Something or the other, they'll crack a joke continuously. So that is the best about him.
We will have a wonderful life together. Best wishes today.
Best wishes today, yeah.
Dear Nidhi and Arunav, as we embark upon this beautiful journey of your life, we wish you the very best from the bottom of our hearts.
Congratulations to Nidhi and to Arunav for all the happiness in years ahead.
Congratulations to both of you, Nidhi and Arunav.
Congratulations, Nidhi and Arunav.
I would wish, Arunav, that you will continue to pleasantly surprise my friend for the duration of your marriage. And Nidhi, I would hope that you would continue to receive his affection with enthusiasm.
Together, they make each other like really calm. They make each other anchored.
they make each other happy, and that's all what marriage is all about. So make each other happy, and wish you a very happy marriage life.
You really,
oh, come on.
really,
I took you wrong.
complete each other. You're like a great couple.
She is one of the most outstandingly creative, fun, exuberant, and the cutest person and the sister I could ever imagine. I really, really wish all the happiness and all the blessings for you.
I had to literally help him as to what questions, what do you talk to women about, how do you actually approach a lady, how do you talk to a lady, how do you actually ask a woman out. And here I see you guys talking so much about Arunav and the women around him, thinking like, what the hell happened to Arunav?
But I'm really happy that you're getting married and that I'll get to be friends with with a couple, so I can like hang out with them. Like usually I heard that couples don't let the other one stay with their friend or something. So at this point I can stay with both of you.
Oh, देखो हो गया फिर दौड़ होगी शुरू देखो किवें जा रहे ने एंड लाइन दे वालों ओ होगी एंड लाइन ते जो अंतरराष्ट्रीय खिडारी ने जेतू रही है जी
way he is. I might crib about one thing here and one thing there, but he's perfect, and I couldn't have imagined, you know, my life taking a more perfect turn. I'm really excited about our life together, and it's going to be a fun ride, baby.
दिन शगना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियों नी वेड़ा सजिया हाँ मेरा सजना मिलिया सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी वेड़ा सजिया
It has its challenges, it has different challenges than everybody else in its relationship does, and it's good in a way, but I am committed towards it, and I know she is. So I think she should be ready for like a really fantastic ride throughout however long we live in this world.
He's really caring, he makes me laugh a lot. You know, with him, I'm myself. I don't have to be anyone else. I don't have to be anything else. I love him.
मेरा सजना मिलिया सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी मेरा सजना
Well, marriage is the union of two souls, basically, you see. And they should be just in a sort of a unison which coalesces with each other, so that, you know, they can remain as not two different entities, but one single entity, you see. That's what his marriage is.
ये हरियाली ये आसमां ये घटा मेरी रास्ता ये हरियाली ये आसमां ये घटा मेरी रास्ता रात के पहलू में दिए तेरे लिए है बिछे तेरा हाथ थाम के लो हम भी चल दिए हम भी चल दिए
Marriage is like a roller coaster ride. It has its ups and downs and highs and lows. And the key is to keep moving on, no matter where you are, high or low.
They complement each other, they are made for each other, and I'm sure they will have a wonderful life together because they understand each other very well. Their interest in life are very much similar.
I feel they'll make a very, very happy couple. We hope and pray, give her all our blessings. And today, when she's getting married, I'm really proud of the woman I'm giving away to Arunav.
चलते जाए इन राहों पे तेरे लिए है बिछे तेरा हाथ थाम के लो हम भी चल दिए हम भी चल दिए
प्रभु का विधान है, यही है उसकी विधि। निधि को मिले अरुणव और अरुणव को मिले निधि।